Yeah, man.
What a guan! I am Michael Marvin Samuels. Watch me cook cornmeal porridge with heavy coconut milk. Get cornmeal, sugar, salt. Cinnamon leaves are optional. You could use quarter teaspoon cinnamon powder instead. Nutmeg. Cooking oil or butter, optional. Water and 1 coconut. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Pour 1.5 cup water into a medium-sized saucepan / stew pot. Add 3/4 cups cornmeal. Put the saucepan on the stove. Turn the stove's flame gauge on low, simmering. Use a cooking spoon. Mix the cornmeal in the water, like this. Add quarter teaspoon grounded nutmeg, 2 cinnamon leaves. When the cinnamon leaf is fresh, crumble it with your hand. But if it's too dry and it's gonna break apart, do not crumble it. Add half to 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Add pinch salt. Add teaspoon cooking oil or butter. Use a cooking spoon. Mix in the ingredients and then use the pan's lid. Cover it. The stove's gauge is on simmering. Allow. This is simmering on my stove. And this is the gauge set on simmering on my stove. Break a coconut. Use a knife. Cut 1 between 2 inches coconut pieces. Do it like this. Pour 2 cups of water into a blender. Blend the coconut pieces for 2 between 3 minutes on high speed. After that, strain coconut like this. You could use the finest oils on a grater instead. Mix 2 50-gram packs of coconut milk powder with 2 cups of water instead. Coconut milk. Put this aside, go to the next step. After 15 minutes, use a cooking spoon. Stir the cornmeal in the saucepan like this. Use the pan's lid, cover it, allow. After 5 minutes more, totaling 20 minutes, this is the texture we want. Pour coconut milk on the cornmeal in the saucepan / stew pot. Now use a cooking spoon, stir the coconut milk in the cornmeal mixture properly. Stir the corners and the bottom of the saucepan. Do it like this. Use the pan's lid, cover it properly. The stove's gauge is on simmering. Allow. After 15 minutes since we added the coconut milk, add half between 3/4 cups sugar. Use a cooking spoon, stir in. Stir the corners and the pot's bottom. This is cornmeal porridge with heavy coconut milk, with plenty coconut milk. If you could just smell the aroma, this smells good. Use the pan's lid, cover it properly. The stove's gauge is still on simmering, allow. After 15 minutes more, totaling 30 minutes. This is cornmeal porridge with heavy coconut milk. The aroma is awesome if you could just smell it. Now use a cooking spoon, stir in. Use the back of the spoon to rub on the pot's bottom. Rub the spoon in the corners right around the saucepan / stew pot. Do it like this. The porridge is thickening just right. Now use the pan's lid, cover it properly. The stove's gauge is still on simmering, allow. Buy Cookbook Jamaican food recipes. It's a 8x10, 511 pages big cookbook. After 5 minutes more, totaling 35 minutes. Use a cooking spoon, stir in. This is the cornmeal porridge with plenty coconut milk. This is what you want. This porridge is thickening just right. Use a spoon, stir the pot's bottom like this. I am going to allow this to boil for a few more minutes. Use the pan's lid, cover it properly. Allow. After 2 minutes more, totaling 37 minutes, when the bubbles start bursting and splashing on the stove or splashing up in the air, this is a sign it is ready. Use a cooking spoon, stir in. This is the cornmeal porridge. This is finished. It's ready. Turn off stove. Use the pan's lid. Cover it until serving. Pour this thick cornmeal porridge with heavy coconut milk into a bowl like this. This is cornmeal porridge with heavy coconut milk. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. You should subscribe, like, and share. Try making cornmeal porridge with plenty coconut milk like this. When you do, share your experience with us. I did this porridge to show you that it's possible to cook cornmeal porridge with plenty coconut milk. Maybe you live somewhere where you have plenty coconut and you don't want to waste it. Do this. This cornmeal porridge recipe is servings for 2 up to 4 persons. Double the ingredients for more porridge. Buy my cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages. The flavor of this cornmeal porridge with heavy coconut milk tastes like regular cornmeal porridge, but it's creamy with coconut milk. Drink this cornmeal porridge alone, or eat crackers or bread with cornmeal porridge. Half cup sugar sweetened this porridge just right for anyone. However, if you want it sweet, add 3/4 cup sugar. Seal it properly and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 between 3 days. However, freeze it for 3 months or longer. Until next time, Megan.